please click below to sign in. Okay, what I have done here, I have opened my mail ID. So automatically we'll get one pop-up from ServiceNow option. Just click on the verify email ID. Okay, automatically system will activate ServiceNow. Activate means system, service, your ServiceNow account is created. Okay, just click on the sign in option. So this is your email ID. So I have created my email ID with vishnu.boilavan@gmail.com. Click on the next, give your password. Okay, already have saved the password. Just click on the sign in option. So guys, you have to remember one thing. Now, who will create the account in ServiceNow? System administrators, because this is the main system administrators are the head. Under the system administration, they will create the users. They will create the users means these persons only will create the end users, FI consultant, all the users will be created under system administration. Okay. Now I have created one account too. It means now I am the system administrator. Okay, sorry, I didn't show one screen. So once if you click on the sign in option, so just press one S. I forgot that screen. Next one, so who are you? So actually we should tick mark for the developer, but I'm giving check mark for the other. I have read the agreed the terms and condition, finish your setup. Okay, so it will take around 2 to 3 minutes to process your complete information, because we have selected I am not the developer, I am other person. Okay, so for others person, system is creating the new software. No, so it will take around 2 minutes. Here you can see start building. Okay, it will take around 2 to 3 minutes time. So here system will, I mean, this option will be open. Now it is in the hidden mode, right? So it is getting the instant. Instant means it's a software. So now it will take around 2 to 3 minutes time. So we have to wait. So it will see your instant is ready. So instance URL. Once if you click this one automatically, so your service now will be open here. So guys, this setup is a very easy process, and I'm requesting everyone, you should know, you should set up this in your laptop, because if you see the service now anywhere, you cannot understand what is a service now tool, how they are working. In interview, mostly ask the question is the which tool you have used to raise to raise the defects. I mean, that incidents, which tool you have worked. So we have to say, I have worked with the service now. So if they ask, so how you are getting the tickets from the end user, what is the process, what is the member roles, what is member users, how can you create the user? Okay, so you should have that kind of knowledge here. Okay, so automatically service now will be open like this. So these all are the different apps. And you should know one more thing, right side you can see this option, system administrator. System administrator means I have created this account, right? So I am the administrator, I can get all kind of the access. It means I can create any kind of the data, I can create users, I can create the role. Guys, left side you can see here, so many applications are there in service now. Okay, so don't think that service now is only for the ticketing purpose. Okay, it is a cloud version, one kind of that. It's a cloud version. We can use the service now for the number of process are there. Okay, in that process, one of the process is a ticketing tool. Okay, for the ticketing purpose we are using this one, but along with the ticketing tool there is so many works are there. Okay, so I told you right already, with the help of the reporting tools, we can see, we can check how many employees are working, what kind of work they are, what kind of work they are working. So what is the stages of the work? So everything we can check with the help of the ServiceNow. So mostly every company will use a ServiceNow to monitor the day-to-day transactions. So in ServiceNow, so many applications are there, right? So we are using one of the application that is a defects, that is a incidents application. Okay, so this is a sign up setup, guys. Hope you understand, right? This one, any doubts?
No issue.
Guys, around 40 members are there, you can say yes or no, right?
Sir.
Okay,
No.
so
Vishnu,
hello.
hello. Yeah,
In real time, who will create this login credential, ServiceNow login credential?
Guys, who will create this service now? Who will download this software in real time here?
The system administrators.
Yeah. So I told you right starting only one separate team will be there. It is not our work, guys. So why I am showing this one? For your practice purpose, you should know how to set up and how to work with this one. So that time you can do practice directly without any help. But in real time, I told you right, first the system administrators will only do all this work. So they will download they will take the ServiceNow credential, they will create the users, and I told you right everything. So if you join in one company, automatically someone will create your user ID, your password, your ID, and everything, your email and everything will created by the someone else. Okay, you don't do this work. Your work is how to raise a defect, how to resolve, what is the communication purpose, communication process. That is only your work. The remaining all is a system administration. But as a FI consultant, you should aware all this process here. Guys, don't think that this is not our process, we no need to learn that one. But FI consultant means we should be aware about the all process here. Okay, so it is a first step, guys. It is a process of downloading the ServiceNow option. Okay, so after downloading, left side you can see multiple options are there with the so these are the multiple applications, not options. So different persons will work for the different application. So what we will do now, he is a system administrator. So now directly we will go with our topic. Okay, now there is a two employees is there. One employee is she is a end user, she is a FI consultant. Lahari and Soundarya, two persons are there. Okay, now what system administration will do? System administration has to first, when Lahari joined, she has to create the user Lahari and she has to create the user Soundarya. So first what we will do, we will create the users, later we will create the roles also. So first we will create the users. Users means employees. Okay, so I have the main access here. So how I have logged in, I have given with my email ID and I have given with my password. I have given the login. It's a system ID. The same way, suppose if a new employee is joined, Lahari joined, Lahari want to log into ServiceNow. So for that purpose, system administrator has to give the access. Okay, so that one we are going to see. How can we give the access? The first thing is how can we create the roles? Sorry, how can we create the users in ServiceNow? Okay, so this is a filter, guys, navigation. So from here we can go everywhere. So here I am typing admin. Just wait. So just type the user admin here. Automatically you can see user administration. This is one of the application. Okay, in this application, what you can do, you can create the users, you can create the roles, you can create the groups. Okay, so first one, we are going to create the users. Users means the employees. Guys, just forget about this existing data because it is that already system has created some default user. So just forget about this one. Okay, so just user admin, click on the user. Once if you click on the user option, right side automatically system will open the user box here. Okay, now we are going to create the new user, right? Just click on the new option. Guys, this is the same way in the company also it will work, guys. Okay, so just click on the new option. Okay, the first one is user ID. What do you mean by user ID, guys?
Username.
User ID. So user ID is always, if you check with that, I have shown you my SAP login access, right? My ID card, my user ID, both are the same only. Okay, so system will, they will create it with your ID name with I combinations of name with your, it's like your ID card number. Okay,
Employee ID.
so already LV is there, so I'm creating, first I'm creating end user Lavanya 123. Okay, so this title department, we were not meant, we don't have any title and any department here, so obviously some departments is there, I'm not giving this one. Password, see, password is a very important here. So now I'm the system administration, I am creating one user. So while you are creating the one user, you have to give one password. Okay, so first I'm giving one password. The password, okay, so I have given one password. Now the next option is a password need to reset. I'm giving check mark for this one because this is administration password, but automatically system password need to be reset. Password need to be reset means, suppose this is a access. So once if you log in with your username and password means what admin will do, he will give this information, this password, both information he will send to Lavanya with the mail. So what Lavanya will do, Lavanya will enter the username and password. Once if she press enter, automatically system will ask create the new password. I think you guys know about this one. So password need to be reset me admin password. This is a standard process. Automatically once Lavanya logged in with this password, system will ask you create the new password. So Lavanya, that time Lavanya will create her new password. So that is the option of the password need to reset. Hope you understand this one, right, up to here.
Yes, sir.
Guys, am I going fast?
No,
No,
sir.
no.
Okay, the next one is a logged out option. So logged out option means, suppose here username and password is there. So suppose sometimes we will forget the password, we will enter this wrong password every time. So most company will follow this logged out process. Suppose even SBI banks and everything will, I mean SAP also there, if you enter the password more than 3 times, your account will be logged for some time. So logged out means, so automatically if you give the wrong password more than 3 or 4 times, so it will be go for the logged out. Okay, so active means, now I have created the Lavanya here. So Lavanya worked only for the 1 year. After 1 year, she left the company. So automatically the status is in the active. In case if she left the company, we have to remove her access, right? So once if you remove the uncheck mark, sorry, check mark means she is active. Uncheck mark means she cannot use this access. It's a simple one only. Okay, so web access only, it is a cloud basis, right? You can access this server everywhere. Now I have directly have logged into a system administration, I'm accessing this one, right? So she can access this from everywhere. Okay, so internal integration user, this is not necessary, this is for the developer. So right side you can see this is a basic information. What is a Lavanya mail ID? Guys, username, mail ID, these two are the mandatory informations. Okay, so language I'm selecting English. So calendar integration, so automatically Outlook. So time zone, so let it be US time zone only. So date format, normal standard date format only. Mobile number, so here we should enter the employee's mobile number. Okay, so photo, these are not necessary. Up to here this is enough. Okay, so I have now I'm going to create the user. So I came to user admin tab, then automatically downside you can see user option. Once if you click this option, automatically new user page will be open here. Okay, here guys, who will do this work?
System
Yeah,
administrator.
don't forget that one. This is
Yes.
not our work, but you should know this work. Okay, so here system administrator will give the user ID and password. These two are the important. He will share this information to Lavanya with the help of the mail. Sorry, sorry, Lavanya with the help of the mail. So once if she log in with the details, password need to be resetted. It will ask the new password. Okay, we will see how it will work here. So I have created this one. Just click on the submit option. So it is asking, do you want to save the password? No. Okay, so just remember that one, that is a Lavanya123 is a username. Okay, so now again, just user admin, just click on the users. So automatically system will display all your users here. Now, I think everyone, this is a common process. If you want to create the new, what we have done, we have clicked on the new option. Automatically system will show you different details for the new process. Okay, let me come back. Now, if I want to search any employee details, so there is a search option these are the normal name, email, active. This is how many items are displaying here. It will come like this. So if you want to search your person, just type, just wait guys. Okay, it is a cloud based, right? So every time it will take some time. Just type that name here. So automatically here you can get your details. Okay, so just click, if you click this one, automatically system will display this information. Okay, so this is a process of creating the users. Okay, so now what that administration will do, he will share this information, user ID and password, to that girl. So automatically